When you decide to sell your home, you have a lot of choices. You can sell it on your own or hire a professional realtor. This video will explain the pros and cons of each, so you can make the best decision for you when it comes to selling your Montgomery County, Maryland home. Hi, my name is Kevin Grolig. I'm a real estate agent with Compass located in Potomac, Maryland. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. Plus, if you want a copy of my free Ultimate Home Selling Guide, you can click on the link in the description box below. All right, let's dive right into it and talk first about the pros of selling your home on your own. Number one, and it's an obvious one, save money on commission. There's no question, real estate commissions are costly. In Montgomery County, Maryland, typically the commissions to sell your home will run somewhere between 5 to 6% of the sales price. This means on a $500,000 home, expect to pay somewhere between $25,000 to maybe $30,000. It certainly can be enticing to try to save that money. Number two, nobody knows the home better than you. As homeowners, we are all intimately aware of all the blood, sweat, and tears and investment that we've put into our homes. The facts are, nobody knows the home and the community better than you. The number three pro to selling your home on your own is you get to deal directly with the buyers. And this piggybacks a little bit on number two, where nobody knows the home better than you. Because you're dealing directly with the home buyer, you can be 100% sure that your stance and message is crystal clear. Number four, more secure showing process. Whether your home is on the market with a realtor or on your own, you have the ultimate control of when showings take place. When your home is on the market by owner, typically there is no lockbox. All showings will go directly through you. While this may be a hassle, you will be there to monitor the entire showing process. Number five pro, you call the shots. Once again, whether your home is on the market with a realtor or by owner, in the end, you are always the boss. However, when you're on the market by owner, you can be 100% sure that you're not going to receive any pressure from an agent on pricing, condition, spruce up, or staging. Ultimately, in the end, you will receive all the praise if your home sells and all the blame if it doesn't. So there's my 5 pros to selling your home on your own. Now let's discuss the 5 cons. The number one con is there is definitely a lower rate of success selling your home on your own. Less exposure means less demand. Less demand means less showings. Less showings means less chance of getting an offer. And less offer typically means lower price. Number 2 con, you're too close to the situation. Most home buyers hire a realtor to not only help them find a home, but to negotiate in their best interest. If you don't have an agent, they may never find out about your home or even know you exist. Also, what I mean by you may be too close to the situation is what I oftentimes hear from for sale by owners is, everybody loves my house, but nobody bought my house. Now, why is that? The reason that is because guess what? Most people are polite and nice, and they're not gonna wanna say anything that's gonna hurt your feelings or offend you. But in order to be successful, you need 100% transparency. More often, you're gonna get accurate and transparent feedback if you're going through a real estate agent. Number 3 con, bottom fishers. All sellers just love bottom fishers, don't you? As I mentioned before, most serious buyers are going to be hiring a real estate agent to not only help them find the home, but negotiate in their best interest. What I find from most buyers who are looking at for sale by owners is that they are more interested in stealing a house than purchasing a home. There's a big difference. This is because they're trying to leverage the commission amount the for sale by owner is saving to negotiate a lower price for them. Many of these buyers are also trying to prey on a homeowner who is not experienced in the real estate field. Number 4, legal documents. Selling your home is a complicated process. In Montgomery County, Maryland, there's nearly 50 to 60 pages of legal documents, and every one of them needs to be negotiated and navigated through. One word to the wise, if you're in Montgomery County, the Montgomery County court system is definitely leveraged to favor home buyers and tenants over home sellers and landlords. So it goes without saying, in Montgomery County, Maryland, it's imperative that you have updated documents and that all I's are dotted and T's crossed. Number 5, are they prospects or suspects? I love this topic. Beyond finding a buyer, negotiating terms, and executing contracts and addenda, you need to know that these quote-unquote buyers are the real deal. Basically, are they prospects or suspects? Have they been mortgage pre-approved? Is their cash for down payment and closing costs liquid? Or are they requiring some form of gift from a relative or maybe someone overseas? What I find is most buyers who are looking on their own without a realtor are what I deem to be tomorrow buyers. Typically, I find that they are not mortgage pre-approved and many times have a home that they need to sell before they can even purchase your home. I also see those that are maybe 4 or 5 months in to a 1-year lease, so they really can't do anything right now. So there you have it, the 5 pros and 5 cons to selling your home on your own in Montgomery County, Maryland. In the end, it's all about your situation, tolerance, and timing. If you've watched this video and you say, you know what, I'm not interested in selling my home on my own, I'd like to hire a professional, I would love the opportunity to talk to you about that further. Feel free to set up a time on my calendar by clicking the link below or simply text me at 240-793-7495. Thanks once again for checking out my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you'd like a version of my free Ultimate Home Seller's Guide and Home Staging Guide, you can click on the links in the description box below. Thanks once again for checking out the latest video in my series, Real Kevin. See you next week.